let's go to Davao. Hello, Davao. Pa.
Hoy, wala na ibang room?
Sa baba.
Try mo lang, try. Sige lang. Ah! Oh! Oh! Ang bilis! Ay! Ay! Shit! Woo!
Next, si Casey lang.
Ace! Sige, ito gagalaw, gagalaw! Wow! Galing! Shitty pala, bra! Ah!
It's a very delicate step.
Ah! Shit, ang galing! Uy, bakit dalawa yung nag... Ah! Oh! Oh, gagaling!
Kaka-porn mo yan, Chan.
Ah, easy! Oh my God!
Bin, bin! Ay, no, sir lang.
Kailangan ko kasi may role ako. Galing at sila!
You have balls, right? You have a penis. So you're a man. Diba? Diba? Alright. So you need to commit. You need to commit.
Okay.
Alright, so let's shake hands. Man to man. Alright, so who goes first?
You.
I go first. Alright.
Where go
Oh.
put yours?
I'll put my ex-man in the middle.
Put mine here.
Alright, so I'll put mine here.
Oh,
Oh, it flipped. Okay.
no, that's not the same. Oh, that's the
No,
same.
yeah, that's the correct.
The next
Walang nilagyan ng ano pala dito. Si Mateo ganun siya, yung hulog dito sa ano. Parang ito yung kailangan niya na lugar. Parang hindi na kailangan ng yan.
inside. I can open my eyes.
Oh, hindi naman ang yun.
Hello. Morning. Kala ko hindi nagkita kanina.
Hmm? Ha? Bakit? Hmm? And that is a success. Yes, na ito na po yung ating traveling pimples that comes out every single time na mag-travel tayo. 7:21 and work starts at 9. So, perfect timing lang talaga for everything. I still have time to watch Pulang Araw. We're already at episode 13. Ang galing ko doon sa part na yun. As a vapor, kailangan mong humanap ng spot. Saan ka pwede mag-vape. Yan. And dito siya sa side. Nandito siya sa smoke and vape. Parang bet ko yung ano, usin.
Kaya na dito.
Thank you so much po.
Ay, dami.
Masyado mababa. Is ano? Pero meron pa kasi mahal. Where? Meron siguro doon. Try na. So, I think the steakhouse is closed. We're going to have to find a different place to eat. But this is beautiful. Look. And then meron sila dito nakasulat about the history of the place. Dati pala siyang naging taguan ng mga Hapon nung patapos na ang World War II. And right now, maraming kainan dito. So let's try here. So we're here at Jack's Ridge and we didn't realize na marami palang kainan dito. Card. Okay. Wait lang ate, na-enjoy lang namin yung masarap na ice cream. 150 yun. So good.
Cash delivery, puro na kung cash delivery.
Dalawa natin para mag-cash siya.
Ayun, tingnan mo yung bag ng car. Susunod mo. Ayun.
Wait.
Napapili yung bag. Ang katapat lang naman sila.
May kainan din. Ay, may ano. Perfect.
Ito magkaiba.
And that's a success. So we just booked a Grab for 26 pesos going to Lola, ako ni Lola Durian Delicacies. Because that's along the way going to Japanese Tunnel. So from this point onwards, bawal ang video, picture lang. They also have here. And we're here. So may entrance daw ditong 200. So after 5 minutes of taxi, we're walking 3 minutes away lang daw from the Bone Museum. 70 pesos. Actually, 63 lang yung bill namin sa taxi. Ginawa lang namin 70. Come have an afternoon at Davao with us. Tama ba? English ko. An afternoon in Davao as mga turista. Turista! As first-time visitors here, the goal is we have a couple of hours to visit different places here in Davao. Our first stop, since we're staying here at Humberto's, would be the Bone Museum kasi 15-minute walk lang siya. Let's go!
Buko, ano?
Ano nga yun?
Toasty na. Ano siya?
To-
Yung laman ng buko na tinusta.
Oo. Thank you.
Bakit nga? Kaya po nga mahal tong hotel na to. No?
Ganyan po, ano, dito di sa
Tuna.
Mahal ko ngayon.
Yung resto natin, marami pa.
May crabs, oh. Ayan mo. Mahal o hobya?
Pagis lang.
Okay.
Oo, actually, nakita ko.
Pwede mga kadapon dari.